Hey, what's up? Hello, it's your girlfriend. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, Maureen. My name is Maureen. It's the YouTube babe right here. Well, in today's video, I'm just going to show you a well-detailed video on how to style your hair like a bandana. How to style your hair with a bandana like a tupac. Actually, it's not limited to people with hair, but anyone can do it. Well, the first thing you need is hair bands, but it's not a must to hold your hair like mine. But just make sure that you hold your hair in a manner that this center area you do not have anything coming or blocking your efforts. Okay, so just hold your hair and then you can continue. You can hold your hair towards the back like that. You can hold your hair like mine. You're gonna feel cute and pretty. You can just let go of all your hair towards the back, nothing much. Okay, the other thing you need is a flat surface. That is somewhere you can just place the bandana and then do the folding and everything, but it's not a must that you use a flat area. You can always just do it on air like I will be doing. So maybe in this video you're not just limited to the bandana, the tupac. So maybe in the process, I always say I'm going to show you tupac only and then end up doing more than one tutorial in one video. So I don't know what will happen today. Well, in the meantime, please just like this video. You can share us out there. You can tell someone about this channel. You can also comment down below and make sure that you do subscribe so that you don't miss out on any upcoming tutorials. Okay, and I will be placing a link in the description that shows you more tutorials. If you don't like this one, you can like another one. If you love this one, you can love another one. Okay, so twende nalo. So let's start. So here's my bandana. It is a patterned kind of bandana. What I do make sure is that the inner side is facing towards the front where I am facing, and if I am doing it on a flat area like this, what I do make sure is the inner side is facing the top. Okay, so what you do is you just rotate it like that to make something like a star for a start, and then make sure that this tip goes all the way to the other tip, down like that, and then you have something like that. So guys, if you don't like long videos, in the description we have shorter versions of everything, but the difference is that this one is much more detailed. So if I were you, I would watch the video to the very end so that I don't miss out on any parts. So the next thing you do is hold your bandana like this. You have something like that. Then from pick the lower tip and take it towards the top like that, or you can just do the opposite. Bring this thing towards the bottom like that, and then you have that's a size. This size is too big apparently. Okay, it's too big. So what you do, you add another fold towards that side, the bottom. So if you want to, like, you can actually choose to have it of this size, but if you want it to be to be much smaller, you just fold another, you make another fold to have that size. Okay, I want us to see it in the three ways, whereby it's too big, it's small, and then the smallest, and then you're going to choose the one you prefer. So well, it's of that size. I have done one fold, it's of that size. So this is to just like this, one fold like that. From the back I place it like that. I can choose to have my hair like that, and then make the knots and then see how it goes, or I can always choose to have it below or under the hair like that, and then I have something like that, and then I make like that, and then I make a knot. One knot is always enough. But then there's something that you have to note when it comes to tupac style. I'll be showing you that. So let's just reduce the size just a little bit. I don't want it to be too small, just a little bit like that. I'm going to place it below my hair, and then below my hair, on top of my ears, just a little bit below my hair like that, and then on top of my ears just a little bit. And then I have something like that. But then for it to look like tupac, we need to make one side to be a little bit longer than the other side. Well, if you had held your hair at the back right here, something like this, all you'll have to do is just lift your hair and then make the bandana lie below the hairs. Okay? Yeah. So let's do that to make one side to be longer than the other side. You see, it's reaching somewhere like there, and then we make our sweet precious knots from the top like that. And it's easy, man. If you feel like it's coming off, you can always do a second knot. But now what we normally do is we don't have like, and then push it a little bit on the side, a little bit on the side. Let it not be too much at the center, because if it's too much at the center, it will be totally a different style. Or is it this side? Yeah, like that. What was I saying? You don't do a bow or anything because it's going to be a totally different style. Okay, let us do a bow and we see how it looks. I told you guys always. Anyway, so far so good. Please like this video. You can share us out there, tell someone about this channel, you can also comment down below and subscribe. Okay, and remember, I'll be placing a link in the description that has more tutorials. You can always choose a variety from that. Okay, so this is it, like that. Or you do the same thing. You make your first knot, oops, like that, and then make a second knot. Now the second knot is whereby once you push it in, you don't push all of it, you just push a bit of it like that, and then unatoa hivyo, you remove it like that, and then you have your bow right there. Oh, it's to say, oh my goodness, I look amazing. So basically that's how you go about it. If you want it to go back to the tupac, didn't go how I expected, you just, yeah. But I told you, for the tupac you have to make sure that one side is longer than the other side while tying, so that it gives us that tupac vibe. Okay, easy come, easy go, this is how we do. Ding, 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 ding. So that is how you go about it. Please make sure that you subscribe. I don't know if you have a question, just ask it in the description. If you want it to be way bigger, you have seen how we go about it. If you want it to be this small, you've seen how we go about it. If you want it to be way smaller, you've seen how to go about it. Okay, so let's catch up on the next tutorial. Check the description for more, or just click here to watch more of my videos.